Hello, retail traders. I want to talk about one of my favorite trades that I do every day, every morning, that allows me to have the freedom to be able to get in and out of here every morning before an hour, sometimes within minutes, and be done for the day. And I do it and show it every day on YouTube. First thing in the morning when the bell rings, and it's called the beach trade. This is a photograph I took back in Jamaica in 2015 on one of the beautifulest sunsets that I've ever had, and it was an experience that I'll never forget. So that allows you sometimes that freedom to go out throughout the world and take this trade. So we're going to go ahead and talk about the Sneaky Snake, and I did a pre-recording. I had it live, but I recorded it again, so my sound might be a little bit different stuff, but it kind of gives you the feeling that I get when I come in first thing in the morning. I get excited. I like to get in the mood, and the strategy will be talked about throughout the session. That's the Sneaky Snake, and the trade was on the SPY. I take it every day. I've done it for the last year, I think, almost a good 6 months, and I've got pretty accustomed to it, and that's the one we're going to move on right now. So this is going to be a live session of me in the trade talking on the mic, and it's going to be a little bit goofy, but it's going to take about a minute or so, less than a minute before the market opens, and you'll watch us go through the trade and how I call it. But right now it was set up. It looked to me like it was set up beautifully when I come in here at the bell, and I said, oh my gosh, we got to take this trade. So let's go ahead and do this, and I'll walk you through it. Okay, I wish everybody a good day today, but like Mike says, be careful. Let's let the kind of settle here, but might have a nice little scalp it open on the SPY. Go in half, and then if you have to, add. That's going to be my game plan for right now. Here we go. Oh shit, I can hear that yet. Watch SPY right here. We got August 8th. 413 strike. SPY. Watch DraftKings. It's in the news. If we can build upon 410.13, we need a candle above it. 410.13, and we're off to 151. We're off to the 51. This is the SPY call. So I've called the trade strike for the 8th. I've called the trade out, and I want to take it to the 51 EMA on the daily 1 minute. And then I've got the 200
exit 410.94.
and I've got the 200 SMA in my eyesight after that for the final exit.
And scale out on the way.
So I've alerted the room the trade in YouTube. This is what I'm trading, what I'm in, and now I'm typing it in. Because I can't do it all at once. But at least they got the alert. And they've had plenty of time to take it at even maybe a cheaper price than what I
A
got.
little bit. Once it gets to 21, or even right in here at 410.73. We're at 142. I mean, like I said, when you're up $300 a contract, take it. I mean, a deal. 150. Be happy with it. Take 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 it. 150. There it is. We're done. I'm off to the beach. Later. Goodbye.
So that was the beach trade. And within 4 minutes, I got in the trade and I was out of it. And I was off to the beach with, I got out at 150 and at 116 with 10 contracts. So that's less than $1,020 or $160. And you're out with, of 150. So it's a nice little present. $340 is a nice little gift to walk away with within 4 minutes of the day. Or you could have bought 20 or however you wanted to play it, how gutsy you were. But the setup was right here. It's an ascending triangle. And we're going to go back to the chart and I'm going to show it to you. But that's called the Sneaky Snake Beach Trade. It'll take you straight to the beach within 4, 5, 15, 20 minutes. And it's been a proven fact. You get in it and you get out of it right when it hits one of your resistance, and you don't look back and you have the rest of the day off. As many of us traders know, throughout the day it gets a little bit more difficult to trade. And you get kind of, tired and bored and you get unfocused. Well, at least you got everything in front of you that first hour of the day. You've got the volatility, you've got the volume, you've got, the shakeout. So shake and bake, rinse and repeat. And it'll come back to you. It'll do the sneaky snake dance where it has a trend, pull back, boom. And I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about here in the strategy. And we're going to pull up a chart. This was Friday's session. As you can see, we called the trade out first thing in the morning. This was irrational to me. I mean, way out of line. And once it started gaining respect off this ascending triangle right here, and I'm going to draw that out for you, I started really liking this trade. And you could tell with the tops, we had the small little bottom here breakout and it pulled back, and then it started developing the pattern. A lot of times I like to get in on a trade like this, even if it happens during open hours, at the bottom of the second or third bounce. And then 1, 2, 3, she breaks out and runs. So that's the first part of the trend. You got the trend, the breakout, which was the pattern. We got out right at open with $340. You could have ran it all the way up to the 200, and then she ran up more. I got out here. I was watching this thing fly, and I said it would have been one heck of a day, and I'd have really been done, but instead I got out. But what happened, it pulled right back to that trend. This is what makes this strategy so overwhelmingly good. It's not, oh, well, he just got a good trade today. It happened to fall right in his path. No, it don't work out like that. This strategy works in many different ways. This here way was the way it was set up for Friday morning. I mean, it could have went ahead and went on down and then started the thing. But you got the snake, you got the pattern, the breakout, pullback, boom. And the interesting thing about this pullback, it pulled right back to this previous support, which I always call in the room the yin yang. I call it what was resistance now becomes support. I'm going to show you by drawing a line all the way across. how convenient and easy, I'm talking easy, this trade is. You're set up right back where you got, I mean, you're right, here you are, you took all that profit, run it to the 200, or even up here to the top, which I would have called this 2 for the reversal, which I did, and played the put, but I didn't take it all the way down. I tried to take the call right here off the 200, and it dipped on me, so I had to get out of it, add on, boom, and I took the trade. I forgot how I did, but it was a good trade. Pretty sure that's how it happened. And so yeah, I mean, trend, breakout, pull back, boom, and you're set up again. So that's the sneaky snake trade strategy. I just wanted to show you live how easy it is to come in here, make money, and once you study the pattern of this strategy, you'll really understand it, and it's real simple. It's like I tell the people in the room, you don't need a boat to catch a fish. You just need a good strategy. You need to know where to throw that line, and all that is just one line, and you'll know when to take the trade. And that was off the top of this resistance. The triple top, boom, pull back right to that same line. So that, I mean, you could have really capitalized huge on the SPY on Friday. This is the best time to be playing this market because I think we are at a resistance level and a lot of bears are out there, and the market pulls back and it bounces right back up. So I wish you all a great day, and just wanted to show you this strategy, how to trade it right out of the gate. Adios, amigos.